Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a DIY strawberry and oat body lotion. So let's go ahead and get started. The first ingredient that I will be adding to my beaker today for this lotion is going to be distilled water. Next, I will be adding some vegetable glycerin. This is a great ingredient. It adds some more hydration to this lotion. So I have shown this before on my channel, but I'm going to show it again. I am taking my beaker, the one that has the water and the glycerin, and I am weighing it and then writing the total down. This will be useful later on. Now to a smaller beaker, I'm going to go ahead and add some distilled water. This water I will use later on in this formula. Now to a larger heat-safe container, I am adding some shea butter. This helps with adding some much needed moisture to the skin. Next, I will be adding the first of my emulsifiers. It's called Olivium 1000. This next ingredient I'll be using is Neosense Hemasqualene. It is great for use in lotions because it gives a finished product a silky and light feel. The strawberry part of this body lotion comes from me using the strawberry seed oil. This has a very light, fresh strawberry smell, and it is fast absorbing and great on the skin. Alongside the other emulsifier that I used, I will now be adding some cetyl alcohol to my container. This helps to not only emulsify, but thicken the lotion as well. Now I've gone ahead and covered all three of the glass containers that I used. I will be gently heating this over the stove until all the ingredients are nicely melted. This usually is done over a double boiler or in a double boiler, and this will take about 20 minutes in total. Because I lost water during the heating process, I will be adding some from my smaller beaker into my larger. To my larger container, I will be adding my water and glycerin to it. Now I'll be adding some oat protein. This is a great ingredient because it helps to alleviate any dry, itchy, or irritated skin. With my stick blender, I'll be blending this for about 5 minutes until it becomes nice and thick in consistency. Now that everything is blended really well, I'm going to be adding this vitamin E. Vitamin E is great for prolonging shelf life of ingredients used, but it also adds some more good vitamins and nutrients to this lotion. With my heat gun, I will be checking the temperature of my ingredients. That is because I will be adding my preservative, and the preservative that I'm using, the Liquid Germal Plus, needs to be added at 112 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Now it's time to go ahead and add my Liquid Germal Plus, which is my preservative. This will help to keep any bacteria or nasties out of my lotion. So giving it a quick stir just to make sure that I got all my preservative into the rest of my ingredients. And then here is what it looks like. So here's the lotion on my skin. It absorbs quickly and it leaves my skin feeling soft. Before I end the video, I wanted to share with you the formula that I used to create this strawberry and oat body lotion, along with any substitutions. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.